Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team at Remax by the lake, and I think I'm going to show you the least expensive pool home on the golf course in Lake Havasu City. We're here at 670 Avenida Laredo, and let's go take a look inside. Actually, let's look at the drone first. I'll throw the drone around and then we'll go take a look inside. Welcome inside. And priced below $600,000 on the golf course. Wet bar that you could modernize and make extra special. You have this front living dining area, big kitchen that would be, very usable the way it is, but with just new appliances and some upgraded counters would be absolutely spectacular the way it lays out, because I can actually see out to the golf course from here and the pool. We'll show you that at the end of the video, so stick with me. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, so a good size home, really nicely painted. That faux look. Bathroom's good size. Full hall bath here. Mirrored closet. I would call these 2 bedrooms. We just walked through bedrooms 2 and 3. And I'll tell you why in a moment. Extra closet, hall closets here. This would be what you'd call bedroom 4 or an office. But what I would do here, honestly, for my house, I'd have to get a contractor to look. Because this is a 2-car garage, as we can see here, I believe I would do my best to take that rear garage there. And here's laundry in the back. I think I would take that 4th garage if it was mine, and I might turn it into more garage space. Or keep it as a 4-bedroom. There's beautiful mountain views out the front. The master, this bedroom, the house really shines in the master. Beautiful French doors that go out to a spectacular pool area. A big master closet. Of course, As I always say, Julie'd have closet envy because it's a full walk-in, and this is a very good sized room, and I like the architecture walking out to the pool. And the master bath, very large, but a lot of room. If you wanted to remodel, you could turn this into something extraordinary, or you could live with it the way it is. And then we'll go step out back, last but not least, by any means. Look at this. First off, you can see the pool, the rock custom work. Sure appears like the roof is in good shape. Of course, you always want to get your inspector. And things like it has an evap cooler and an air conditioning, both that look like are in good condition and more modern than the house. And of course, again, on the golf course, they are overseating now, so it's a little less green than at some times of year. And look at this Pebble Tech pool. If the value in this home right now, with the way the market's a little slower, but you have a Pebble Tech pool and spa, a 4-bedroom home on the golf course in Arizona. It's truly what I think is a really, really good value in today's market. And there might be some ways to look through that laundry room there. I'm just looking at the back of the house there. If there would be we'd have to look through that if there's a way to extend the garage back for a deep bay. But you could check in that when you look closer. Well, this is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team, RE/MAX by the lake. Julie and I'd love to show you this home or any other home in Lake Havasu City, whether it's on the golf course, in the foothills, in the Riviera, or just a small 1-bedroom condo on the Coldwell. We sell them all. And if you love these videos or you like them, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps both our sellers, it helps grow our channel, and it helps you if you're looking for homes, because you can see full walkthroughs of our listings as they come on. Well, we hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you.